Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Pizza. Did you know that pizza isn't just a delicious meal? When made with fresh, high-quality ingredients, homemade pizza can be part of a balanced diet. In today's video, we'll explore some of the nutritional benefits of homemade pizza and then show you an easy recipe that tastes even better than many restaurant versions. Glowing star benefits of homemade pizza. 1. A great source of energy. The pizza dough provides carbohydrates, which give your body the energy it needs for daily activities. 2. Rich in protein. Mozzarella cheese is a good source of protein, which helps support muscle growth and repair. 3. High in calcium. Cheese contains calcium, an essential mineral for maintaining strong bones and healthy teeth. 4. Contains antioxidants. Tomato sauce is rich in lycopene, a natural antioxidant associated with health benefits when included as part of a balanced diet. 5. Easy to make more nutritious. Adding vegetables such as bell peppers, mushrooms, onions, and olives increases the fiber, vitamins, and minerals in your meal. 6. Full control over ingredients. Making pizza at home lets you control the amount of salt, cheese, and oil while choosing fresh, high-quality ingredients. 7. Perfect for the whole family. Everyone can customize their own toppings, making homemade pizza a fun and enjoyable meal for all ages. Bowl with spoon ingredients for the dough: 500 g all-purpose flour, 300 ml warm water, 1 teaspoon instant yeast, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons olive oil for the sauce, 200 g tomato sauce, 2 cloves garlic. Minced 1 teaspoon oregano, 1/2 teaspoon dried basil, salt, and black pepper to taste. Toppings: 250 g shredded mozzarella cheese, bell peppers, mushrooms, black olives, pepperoni, cooked chicken, or your favorite toppings: fresh basil, optional. Man-cook instructions: mix the warm water, sugar, and yeast, then let it sit for 10 minutes. Add the flour, salt, and olive oil, and knead until the dough becomes smooth. Cover the dough and let it rise for about 1 hour. Roll out the dough and spread the tomato sauce evenly. Add the mozzarella cheese and your favorite toppings. Bake in a preheated oven at 250 degrees Celsius, 480 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden and the cheese is melted. Garnish with fresh basil if desired and serve hot. Clapperboard conclusion. Your delicious homemade pizza is now ready to enjoy. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and packed with fresh flavors. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more amazing recipes. Let us know in the comments which recipe you'd like to see next. Pizza Sparkles. Globe showing Europe, Africa, a brief history of pizza. Pizza originated in Naples, Italy, during the late 18th century. It started as an affordable meal for working-class families, made with simple ingredients like dough, tomatoes, and cheese. As Italian immigrants traveled around the world, they introduced pizza to new countries. Today, pizza is one of the most popular foods worldwide, enjoyed in countless styles and flavors. Pizza. Popular types of pizza. There are many delicious varieties of pizza, including margherita pizza, made with tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, and fresh basil. Pepperoni pizza. One of the most popular pizzas, topped with spicy pepperoni slices. Vegetarian pizza, loaded with colorful vegetables like mushrooms, onions, peppers, olives, and tomatoes. Barbecue chicken pizza. A flavorful combination of grilled chicken, barbecue sauce, onions, and cheese. Seafood pizza, topped with shrimp, tuna, or other seafood for a unique taste. Green salad. Nutritional value. An average slice of homemade pizza contains approximately calories: 250 to 320 kcal protein, 10 to 15 g carbohydrates, 30 to 35 g fat, 10 to 14 g calcium. A good source for healthy bones, vitamins, depending on the vegetables used. The exact nutritional value depends on the ingredients and portion size. Man-cook tips for making the perfect pizza. Here are a few tips to help you achieve restaurant-quality pizza at home. Use fresh, high-quality ingredients. Let the dough rise fully for a soft and airy crust. Preheat your oven to the highest temperature before baking. Avoid adding too much sauce as it can make the crust soggy. Bake the pizza on a pizza stone or a preheated baking tray for a crispier crust. Crossmark. Common mistakes to avoid. Many people make these common pizza mistakes. Using cold dough straight from the refrigerator. Overloading the pizza with toppings. Baking at a low temperature. Using too much cheese or sauce. Not allowing the dough enough time to rise. Avoiding these mistakes will greatly improve the texture and flavor of your homemade pizza. Fork and knife with plate. Best side dishes. Pizza tastes even better when served with fresh green salad, garlic bread, French fries, chicken wings, fresh fruit juice, or lemonade. Lightbulb fun facts about pizza: more than 5 billion pizzas are eaten around the world every year. The Margherita pizza was created in honor of Queen Margherita of Italy. October is celebrated as National Pizza Month in the United States. Pizza is one of the world's most recognized comfort foods. Red Heart final thoughts. Homemade pizza is more than just a delicious meal. It's a fun cooking experience you can share with family and friends. By using fresh ingredients and following a few simple techniques, you can create a pizza that's both flavorful and satisfying.